how to manage push notifications on RedNote so you can choose which alerts you receive and reduce unwanted notifications. First, open the RedNote app and sign into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you will see the three horizontal line on the left corner. Tap on it. From your profile, tap the setting in the bottom right corner. Now, look for notification settings or push notifications and tap on it. Depending on the latest version of the app, the name of this option may vary slightly. Here, you'll see different notification categories, such as messages, comments, likes, new followers, mentions, share, and other activity notifications. Simply turn each option on or off based on your preference. If you're still receiving notifications after disabling them in the app, open your phone's settings, go to Apps, after that, go to App Management, select RedNote, tap Manage Notifications, and disable notifications there if needed. Android also lets you control notifications at the system level for each app. That's it! Your RedNote push notification settings are now updated. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy RedNote tutorials. Thanks for watching.